Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and oh y'all, I am excited about this one because this is a video that is truly based around the influencer being influenced. Yes, it happens. Yes, we get excited. We see things that we also see others talking about, and we're like, okay, I gotta have this too. Click buy. And I am talking about none other than the Homworx Farmstand collection, you all. This one has had a lot of buzz in the candle community. And yeah, I was not immune to it because, of course, I got to keep my finger on the pulse and see what is going on. So yeah, we're going to be talking about the Homworx Farmstand collection that just came out for spring 2022. Emphasis on this season because, yeah, this isn't the first edition of a Farmstand collection. But alas, we'll talk about that later on in the video. But alas, elves, you know what we must take care of. First things first. Lipstick of the day, everyone. As you can see, we are having a purple moment as well as a lime moment to get into it. And lipstick of the day is from MAC and it is the color Heroin. Of course, get into Heroin. Even my nails go along with this. I mean, yeah. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and as always, the details will be in the description box. Fragrance of the day, everyone. Despite me having an edgy look going on today, I went with a very girly and very feminine perfume, and this is none other than from the house of Mancera, and this is the fragrance Roses Vanille. Yes, Roses Vanille perfectly matches the backdrop. Yes, I haven't been wearing you as much and I missed you today, so yeah, I reached for her. Again, fragrance of the day, Mancera Roses Vanille. I do have a full dedicated review on this fragrance. Definitely check that out. I have it linked up top somewhere. Click on it in your free time. So all right, elves, let's get into this Homworx Farmstand collection. First things first, it was released on a Thursday, you all, bright and early Thursday morning, April 14th. And there had been rumblings of it in the candle community, but of course with Homworx, we never truly know when anything is going to drop. Even as an affiliate of Homworx, yes, you all know I do work with the brand periodically, y'all know this. We don't even know when a new collection is dropping. We are just as surprised about it as you all are. So understand that when we are excited, it's literally genuine because we didn't know it was coming either. But yes, this collection was released on April 14th. And the thing about this collection was it was a QVC exclusive. So the difference is, of course, you all know there is an official Homworx website that I often reference. That's the website that my code works for, all that. So whenever we talk about affiliate codes and whatnot, it is with the actual Homworx website. However, when we talk about QVC, that is a totally different entity. I do not have an affiliation with them. So yes, whenever you see QVC on here, your girl spent her coins. Know that. Yes, QVC releases are truly exclusive and exciting. And yeah, it's a big premiere when they do go up and go live. It's a whole thing. Super excited. So you all, the beautiful thing too about this being a QVC exclusive and its initial launch, which was roughly Easter weekend situation, was the exclusive price, and the intro price was only $49.98 for all 3 candles. For my elves that have been rocking with Homworx, you know, candles regular price are $30 a piece, so you do the math, that's $90 how much this collection would cost you individually. So yeah, the $49.98 price point was good for a launch. Very, very good. And then the other good thing too with the QVC launch that they had, it did have the 4 easy payment special feature that they have that applies to it, so that was eligible for this purchase, which is always fun, which cuts your payments, you know, into like $10, $15 depending on what you order, the type of thing. Makes it more palatable, and yeah, it just comes out of your account periodically. Some kind of way I'm signed up for it. I didn't press the button for 4 easy payments, but anyway, we're here. Okay. Anywho, I placed my order that morning on launch day so I could get the launch price. It has since gone up then. I will say that on the website it's like $56 now, the collection. But yeah, I placed my order on that Thursday. It shipped out that Saturday on the 16th. And yeah, it didn't take a whole week to get here. It's been here since earlier in the week. I'm just now having time to film it. So super excited to receive my order. I did order the trio, yes. But I will say this too. As I said in the beginning of this video, Homworx Farmstand collection, spring 2022, I have to emphasize the spring 2022 because Farmstand collections are not new. There have been Farmstand collections in the past, and this is where I say where the OG Homworx stands. They hyped up Farmstand for me because I watched some of the veterans that's been Homworx longer than I have. That was like, oh my goodness, Farmstand is coming back. Farmstand is coming back. Farmstand is amazing. It's everything. And then I did a little bit of research myself, and I saw some of the previous versions of Farmstand candles. I saw there's been a nectarine version, there's been a pineapple, there's been a watermelon, there's been a cherry. And what's cool about the Farmstand candle collections is that you get your like basically pure fruit is what you get, not these super over the top blends, which I mean the candles are still blended, but you truly get a fresh farmers market style of fruit candle, and I like that. I live in a place where we have a weekend farmers market. We have multiple, so yeah, I know exactly what that is like to experience fresh fruits and whatnot in the market. So to have a candle collection that embodies that, yeah, sign me up. So anywho, here we are. I did place the order and I have it, so yeah, let's now review this season's Farmstand collection. First off, you all, we gotta talk about the lid. Look how pretty this lid is. Look at this. And all of the lids are just as detailed. I mean, Homworx, you did your thing and you let us know this was a special collection, honey, because normally you get a regular silver lid and that's it. So the fact that we got the fruit on here, you know what this is. The first candle we're talking about is Farmstand Strawberry. Check that out. I mean, it's the picnic style of decor for me. I'm Southern, so this is giving summer for me, and I'm really here for it. So here we are. The notes are farm fresh strawberry, red raspberry, currant, lemon zest, crystallized sugar. So yeah, this is extremely fruity, and yeah, this is going to be tart based on the notes that are listed. These are 4 wick standard candles. Check that out. And the wax is a soft pink. Very nice. Check that out. Now let's smell it. Oh yeah, this is strawberries and it's tart. You definitely get that lemon zest, and I do get that sugary note that it's at the end. I do. These are juicy strawberries. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is fresh. This is amazing. Okay, I really feel like I just went to the farmer's market early on a Saturday morning at 7:30 a.m. and went straight over to the fruit stand, and I went to the strawberries. Yeah, that Farmstand strawberry, you are giving me that scent memory, and I'm here for it. Again, Farmstand strawberry. This smells amazing. On cold sniff, this is giving a throw of about a 7. So yes, solid throw here, but I think it's going to really open up when I burn it, because yeah, that lemon, she's dying to get out. She's peeking through the strawberry, and I see you, girl. I smell you. And again, this is the Homworx Farmstand strawberry candle. The next candle we have in the Farmstand collection, spring 2022, and this is the Farmstand peach. Check her out. Super fun. Again, picnic style packaging. You all get into the lid again. Ah, how authentic and realistic looking is that? They nailed these lids. I love this collection. I'm digging it. So we have here, fragrance notes are ripened peach, mandarin, peach blossom, and sugared vanilla. This is going to be extremely peachy, obviously, and everything within that family. So let's see what happens here. So we have 4 wicks again. It's very lightly tinged peachy color. Check that out. And now for the smell. Yeah, this is sweet peach. Yes, this is sweet peach. At first, I'm gonna be honest, I was nervous about this one because if you all recall, for the early in the spring collection, Homworx did release a fresh Georgia peach candle, which I will be reviewing very, very soon. So I was kind of like, that's interesting to have 2 peach scents in one season. But they do have a little bit of a difference, and yeah, I think the differences will come out even more when I burn them. Yeah, because I definitely smell more of the vanilla in here. I do. But still, the peach note is consistent across both candles. So if you're a fan of Homworx peach candles, you will enjoy the Farmstand peach. Yeah, I definitely get, it's like peaches and cream to me. Yeah. This is giving me peaches and cream, like my morning oatmeal that I have sometimes. Yes, I am a senior citizen some days. Get into it, but a fabulous one. Yes. Farmstand peach, I like you, like I said again, but we already had a peach scent candle, so this one didn't necessarily wow me as much. It's still good, but yeah, it's a peach candle. The last candle, you all, now this one was the one I was most excited to experience because I have never experienced this scent note with Homworx, so I wanted to see if the hype was really real. And the last candle is, check out the lid, yes, blueberries. This is Farmstand Blueberry. Check that out, Els. Look how pretty that is. The lids, the lids, the lids. If you take nothing else from this video, take away the lids. Check that out again. And the notes in Farmstand Blueberry are blueberry, blackberry, almond, sugar, and vanilla. Y'all know I love anything with almond. Just saying. But you all, I've been getting more into blueberry. I've been learning to love it. So I was like, let's see what Homworx has to offer when it comes to a blueberry candle, because I have never experienced how they do blueberry. So get into the wax. Blueberry, of course, inspired, very pretty, 4 wicks. Now let's smell it. This is fantastic. This is the blueberry I didn't know I needed. What? Hold on. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, okay, this is the favorite. Yeah, this is the best one out the trio, hands down, hands down. I mean, I enjoy the whole trio, but no, they could release Farmstand Blueberry by itself and I would buy it. You all, this is amazing. This is blueberry. It's blueberry. It's what it is. If you love any type of blueberry pie, sugar, whatever have you, any type of variation of blueberry, but you've been wanting a blueberry scent, just it. Oh my goodness, here you go. Farmstand Blueberry, this is for you. I didn't know I needed this in my life, but oh my goodness, my life has changed. I get the hype. This is so hoard worthy. Farmstand Blueberry, oh my goodness. Okay, y'all did something with this collection. Y'all did it, but no, this right here shut it down. Farmstand Blueberry, you shut it down. Yes, yeah. I can't wait to burn you. It's going to take everything in me to not skip the line that I have other candles to burn, because I really want to burn this candle so bad. Farmstand Blueberry, everyone. Certified winner. This thing is going to throw. I can smell it. All of these I can smell on cold, by the way. All of them across the board are averaging about a 7 on throw. Although blueberry is giving more of an 8, I gotta say. So I will be really, really shocked if these do not burn well and are not powerhouses. I will really be shocked. But alas, you all know I will cover burn experiences in what? The weekly candle post burn reviews. So definitely stay tuned and stay up to date with watching those. So all right, elves, that wraps up my review of the Homworx / QVC exclusive Farmstand collection for spring 2022. Els, let me know what you think. Did you also pick up this collection? I've been seeing a lot of posting on social media. Let me know. Did you get it? Do you enjoy it? Which candle is your favorite out of the trio? Definitely leave a comment below. And bonus, with your response, put the fruit next to it so I know which one is your absolute favorite. So that means if you dig into strawberry, I need to see some strawberries. Blueberries, have that in there too, as well as the peaches. Yes, we have phone emojis. Until next time, Els, I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.